In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Google Workspace account. This quick and easy guide will have you accessing your account in just about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First off, let's start by navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. Google Workspace offers a suite of secure online productivity and collaboration tools that are incredibly useful for businesses of any size. Simply click on the link provided or type Google Workspace into your search engine and you'll be directed to the correct page. Once you're there, you'll largely recognize the page by the layout and possibly the Google Workspace logo. From here, you're looking for a specific link named Admin Console. This is where you'll be able to manage your account settings and access various administrative tools. The Admin Console link should be prominent, but if you're having trouble finding it, it's usually located towards the top or middle of the page. It's a crucial step, so make sure you click the correct link to proceed. Next up, it's time to input your login credentials. You'll be prompted to type in your email and password associated with your Google Workspace account. It's essential to enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. If you have multiple email accounts, make sure you're using the one that has admin access to your Google Workspace account. This step is straightforward but pivotal, so take your time to ensure you've entered everything correctly. Lastly, once you've entered your email and password, you'll click on the Sign In button. This final step will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Google Workspace account. The Sign In button is usually positioned in a prominent place, so it should be easy to find. After clicking, you might need to wait a moment as the system processes your information. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Google Workspace account and ready to explore all the productivity and collaboration tools available to you. Remember, Google Workspace is designed to be user-friendly and secure, but if you ever encounter any issues during the login process, Google's support resources are just a few clicks away. Today we've walked through the process of logging into your Google Workspace account, from finding the right web page to entering your credentials and finally accessing your account. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just needed a quick refresher, I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.